everyone, Namaste. Let me take you inside the portals of Gateway International School, English medium, co-educational, CBSE affiliated, day boarding cum residential school. It is located in serene and sprawling campus of 32 acres in Sector 11, Sonipat. The school has been functioning successfully since 2006 onwards. The school building stands tall and magnificent in its majestic splendor, not just in physical terms, but also in its undeniable, formidable reputation for providing quality education to its students. The excellent school infrastructure is accentuated by beautiful landscaping, manicured lawns, and well-maintained games and sports fields. Now I welcome you to our senior wing front desk. Please come along. This is our senior wing front desk, where all your queries regarding academics, transportation and extracurricular activities are taken care by our extremely talented and experienced staff. Now, I will hand it over to my colleague Himanshi, who will take you for a tour of middle and senior wing.
Thank you, Alicia. The entire building is centrally air-conditioned and well-lit. Separate rooms are provided for co-curricular activities. There is a 24-hour CCTV surveillance enabling a constant check on the activities of the campus. The exuberant and elaborate infrastructure is clearly split into 3 floors of academic and non-academic blocks, which can comfortably accommodate a large number of students. Welcome to the middle wing. We at Gateway focus on the holistic growth and development of the child. We nurture all the aspects of the personality: physical, intellectual, emotional, social and spiritual. The dance room with its mirrored walls and vibrating sound system sets every foot tapping and every heart throbbing to join the rhythm. The music room has a collection of Indian and Western musical instruments to ignite the interest in students towards music and polishing their musical expression, making way for the subject in later life. Welcome to the beautiful art and craft room of Gateway, a hub of creative pursuits. It is evidently visible that the creativity and artwork of a young little artist is making all our lives colorful and vibrant. And here we are, the Senior IT Lab, where we help our students to keep pace with the 21st century learning skills by grooming them to become tech-savvy millennials, as we believe in Make India Digital. Welcome to the enchanting world of books, our school library. It is well stocked and helps to feed the eager minds of our young students. And here we are, the Gateway Mathematics Lab. We firmly follow the motto of doing maths in place of the traditional learning maths. I welcome you to the audio-visual room of the middle wing, a digital tool for making the teaching and learning process interesting and attention-grabbing. SDG Lab, an initiative at Gateway to develop positive personal relationships, trust and belief in the goodness of others, and a sense of identity. Gateway International School has collaborated with the DIAS and set up the DIAS SDG Lab. Gateway International School has adapted to the modern teaching method to have aided teaching learning through smart classes. Now I will hand it over back to my colleague Alicia, who is going to take you all to the Senior Wing Labs.
Thank you, Himanshi. Let's move to our senior wing labs now. GIS lays great emphasis on experiential learning by doing scientific experiments. For the same, we have 3 extensive laboratories in our school. Let's first proceed to our physics lab. To inculcate critical thinking, in-depth understanding, inquiry, creativity, recollection, and application, we have well-equipped, scientifically designed physics laboratory in our school. This is our biology lab. It provides opportunities to students to adapt best practices in the study of biology. It includes application of scientific methodologies, respect for life and environment, and consistent adherence to safety standards. Our chemistry lab provides controlled conditions in which scientific, technological research, experiments, and measurements are performed. In the times of COVID-19, we know how sanitizers have become a necessity. And this is why our students have installed a distillation plant to create our own sanitizers in the school itself. Now here we are at our athletic tracks. The athletic tracks are an additional feature to energize the young blood. A well-maintained football ground lures every football lover to participate in the game sessions with a series of inter-school, state level and national level competitions that ensures exposure and a sporting spirit.
Welcome to the sports arena of Gateway International School. We have 2 basketball courts providing ample opportunity and rigorous training for school teams to excel in the game. We also have North Zone CBSE Under 14 and Under 16 girls team winners of AHPS tournament.
GIS focuses on healthy lifestyle, personal care, hygiene, fine and gross motor skills development, etc. Now this is our skating rink. The skating rink gives wings to our students and teaches them the importance of physical and mental balance in life. A synthetic lawn tennis court in the campus is specially designed to facilitate the training and practice for various tournaments. This unique feature of GIS boasts of the equestrian sports with an enormous stable. The well-prepared cricket ground and its specific provision for net practice is the star attraction for the aspiring cricketers of the school.
Our indoor swimming pool has produced swimmers of national and international level. Welcome to Ekam Dining Hall. As a pedagogical tool for teaching table manners, food culture, nutrition and healthy eating habits, students at GIS have meals with their classmates and teachers every day. The Ekam Auditorium is a happening place. It is equipped with state-of-the-art audio-visual facilities and a massive seating capacity of 1,000. A well-furnished and lavishly equipped gymnasium for the fitness freaks is also one of the many attractions of GIS, which lures crowd not only from school but from outside as well. Sanjeevni, the lifeline of our school, is the infirmary, where students are given instant medical aid and a time-to-time physical checkup supervised by a team of experienced doctors. Welcome to Shivalik House, boarding house for boys and girls at Gateway. It is well ventilated with AC fitted dormitories, making it a very comfortable and time-saving stay for boarders. And here we come to the Gaushala. It is another highlight which inculcates the feeling of love and passion towards the protection and nurture of animals. Come and experience life at Gateway for a secure and bright future of your child.